Hello and welcome back to my channel R.A Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What does it mean by funnel? So, let's get started. Dear friends, to channel liquids or fine-grained substances into containers with a small opening. Used for pouring liquids or powder through a small opening and for holding the filter paper in. Filtration. Used in transferring liquids in small containers. Dear fellows, do you know what is simple funnel? Simple funnels consist of a hollow cone with openings on each end. Material is poured into the wide end and directed out through the narrow end. Versions of this device are used in numerous fields, from cooking to chemistry to auto maintenance. Anything that has a similar shape or function may also be called a funnel. Do you know what is funnel shape? Shape of funnel contains a conical shape with a wider and a narrower opening at the two ends. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.